To share any Twitch stream, just find a stream from whoever you like. Here I've got currently the #1 Twitch streamer, Tfue, and I'm going to use my RiteForge browser button and click that, and here I will just augment this post. You see that the URL has been converted from the actual URL to a Writely. I'll hit that back button, click in the Writely URL. I see that I'm going to be using my default link ad. I could change to a different one. This is a video, so I'll use a video ad, better for this market. So I'll click in that Writely link and hit view to see what happens when people click that URL. So they get what's promised, which is Tfue's stream, and there's me advertising on top of it. So do this with the RiteKit package. And then I'll decide where I'm going to share this. I could add to queue, I could send it multiple times, but in this case I'm just going to send now. And here in Twitter you see the tweet went out, and the call to action in this post, of course, is click the URL. And when people do that, this is what they get. Advertise on any Twitch stream with the RiteKit package.